Hello, my name is Daksh and I am from Civil Engineering Department. My roll number is 21CE10016. For this assignment, I use a trimmer to disassemble and assemble it again. The trimmer I used is in the working condition. Let's disassemble it. Here we can see a DC motor, a circuit board and a white plastic rotating part that moves the cutting blades. This is a switch to turn it on and off. Let's see what let's see under the board, circuit board. Here is charging port, a 1.2 volt rechargeable battery. Here we can also see a transistor and capacitor. Let's take a look at white plastic part which connects DC motor and blades. Let's assemble it again. Basically the trimmer consists of the major parts like the DC motor, the cutting blades, a circuit board, a battery, etc. Thank you for watching the video.